Welcome to A.Q7Mraks channel. Enter max to be circles. Example problem important for 7 marks. Find the equations of circles which touches 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 at 1, 1 and having radius root 13. For the required circles means to find the equations of circles given that radius equal to root 13, that is equations of circles means this is plural. So here we have find out two equations of circle. For these two circles radius is root 13. So r1 equal to root 13, r2 equal to root 13. For this radius center can be taken as c1. Here first we have to find out c1. For this second circle radius we have to find out center c2. So to calculate equations of circles first we calculate centers of the circles. Given line 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Given point p equal to 1, 1. The required circles touches the line at the point p 1, 1. Take C1, C2 line. First we have to find out center points. So for these points take C1, C2 line. On this line P is also there. This since the points means C1 and C2. From P are at a distance of root 13 equal to. So in Intermax 1b straight lines the points from known points at a distance r, formula is x1 plus r minus r cos theta comma y1 plus r minus r sin theta. This formula is to find points on the straight line from the given point. So here to calculate c1 and c2 this formula is used. Here x1 y1 can be taken as p point, r is radius. So x1 1 plus r minus r root 13 cos theta comma 1 plus r minus r sin r means here 13. So we have to use this formula to calculate points. Now we have to calculate theta. For finding theta, this process here stop. This can be taken as equation 2. To calculate C1 and C2, we have to use point and line. So from this point, we use the formula, points formula. From this line, now we have to use this line. Since two x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 perpendicular to C1 C2 bar. So C1 C2 bar. Then if two lines are perpendicular, then product of slopes is minus 1. So this m1 is slope of this. Slope of 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 into m2 means slope of c1 c2 bar equal to minus 1. This implies slope of the given line formula is minus a by b. So minus a 2 by b minus 3 into slope of this c1 c2 line can be taken as m. This equal to minus 1. 2 by 3 into m equal to minus 1. This implies m equal to minus 3 by 2. Slope of the line c1 c2 line m equal to minus 3 by 2. M can be taken as tan theta equal to minus 3 by 2. Tan definition is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side 3, adjacent side 2. Only you have to take the numericals. Lengths are always positive. That's why here we are taking 3 and 2, not 3. A, B, C. In the right angle triangle, by Pythagoras formula, hypotenuse whole square equal to side square plus side square. From this we can get AC equal to root 13. From this triangle, we can calculate sin theta and cos theta. Sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side 3 by hypotenuse root 13 and cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side 2 by hypotenuse root 13. If we find tan theta again, sin by cos. Sin theta by cos theta. This by this. Root 13 cancel. 3 by 2. But here tan theta is negative. This minus can be taken at cos, since theta belongs to second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin is positive, cos is negative. So these sin theta and cos theta values are substituted at the points formula in 2. Therefore, from 2 means C1, C2 points equal to 1 plus or minus root 13 cos theta, 1 plus or minus root 13 sin theta. This cos theta and sin theta are calculated from the formula m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. That is, the line C1, C2 and given line are perpendicular to each other. We are applying that perpendicularity 1 plus or minus root 13 cos theta minus 2 by root 13, 1 plus or minus root 13 sin theta 3 by root 13. So 1 plus or minus of minus 2, 1 plus or minus 3. Take positive. For that we have to take first center. 1, take positive means here positive. 1 plus minus 2, 1 plus 3. 1 plus into minus, minus 2 is equal to 1 minus 2, minus 1, 4. In this way, we have to calculate first center. Take negative. Here negative sign. This can be taken as second center. 1 minus minus 2, 1 minus 3. 1 minus into minus plus 1 plus 2 comma 1 minus 3 3 comma minus 2. This can be taken as C2. In this problem, the major part is to find centers C1 and C2. For that, using given point P as points formula, x1 plus r minus r cos theta comma y1 plus r minus r sin theta, and use the given line and take the formula m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. In this way, we have to calculate C1 and C2. Now, equations of circles. Equation of circle with C1 minus 1 comma 4 and R1 root 13 is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This can be taken as h comma k. So x minus h minus 1 means plus 1 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to root 13 whole square. Expand in the form of a plus b whole square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square and this is in the form of a minus b whole square. The required equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 4 equal to 0. Case 2. Equation of circle with the second center 3 comma minus 2 and the radius root 13 is here also using the formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Here h comma k is center. So x minus 3 whole square plus y minus k minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 whole square equal to root 13 whole square. Expand this is in the form of a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square. This is one equation of circle. This is another equation of circle. These two equations of required circles. Thank you students. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.